What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb, I'ma play L for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental, let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought, no flow, rain wasn't pouring down. See, that pain was all around, see, my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn, flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge, I'ma kill everything like this purge. Ay. Let's just get this straight for a second. I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it. Everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Ay, put this in a frame, but I know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate. Let me elevate this in a prayer. Have you walking on a plane? La 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 la, like both hands together. God, let me pray. I've been going right around, call that relay. Pass the baton, back in the mall, swimming in the pool, can't take them all. Want a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign. Can you please read between the lines? My rhymes inclined to break your spine. They say that I'm so fine, you could never match my grind. Please do not waste my time. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Astro. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.
Happy birthday, son. It's been 8 years, dude. You're growing too fast on me. Happy birthday. I wish you the best and many, many more. I love you and enjoy your gifts. I hope you enjoy everything and I love you.
Hey, Kayden, happy birthday. Time to turn up, big dog. Big 8. Love you, man. Enjoy.
Hello, Kayden. This is your grandpa and your grandma. I would just like to say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kayden. Happy birthday to you. Say something, Grandma.
Hey, Kayden, it's your birthday. Grandmama gonna have to stop calling you my baby and call you my little man. I love you. Happy birthday.
Love you. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Bye-bye.
It's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. We gonna sip some juice like it's your birthday. Happy 8th birthday, Kayden. We love you.
Happy birthday. Make sure the PS5s are there too, or the Nintendos, or the Xbox.
Okay, what you got to say, Nyla?
Happy birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Hello, Kayden. This Auntie Connie. Hope you have a wonderful birthday tomorrow. Love you. Miss you. Talk to you later. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kayden. Have a good day today. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Kayden. From Emery and Chantrella, we wish you the best birthday ever. Say bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kayden.
Happy 8th birthday.
I love you, Kayden. I wish I was there.
I'm not finna deal with your brother. But we love you. Happy birthday. And yeah. Put the other half. Put the other half. Happy birthday, bro. Love you.
Oh, yeah, we can do it. Come on.
Your heart is whatever.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kayden. Enjoy everything you gonna get tomorrow. We got your gift. Love you, love you, love you.
Happy birthday, Kayden. Hope you have a great birthday. And happy birthday. And yeah. Happy birthday, Kayden. Happy birthday, Kayden. I wish you a happy birthday. I'll give you whatever you want.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Kayden. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my great nephew Kayden. Happy birthday to you.
The joy?
Happy
birthday. Not the roll one. We want the one that got the girl on it. Happy birthday, dear Kayden. Happy birthday. Hey, Kayden. Happy birthday.
Hey, Kayden. Happy birthday. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I know you are. You got the boys with you. Don't y'all run your mama crazy, but y'all had the best day ever on that GameTruck because I know y'all going to enjoy it. Love you. Happy birthday, Kayden. Happy birthday.
Kayden, surprise. It's Aunt Tina. This is a very special day. It's your birthday. Have a great time at your party. I love you, and I wish I was there with you.
Big shout out to Kayden, birthday boy. We swagging over here at 2 o'clock in the morning. Happy birthday, nephew.
Kayden.
We missed that 12 o'clock deal, Kiara. We sorry.
But we know Kayden's still up. And because he up swagging. Let's go. What?
Hey.
What?
Uh-oh. Happy birthday,
Happy
Kayden.
birthday, Kayden. Woo!
Happy birthday.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real gamer versus gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.